how to find your Facebook profile user ID. So if you want to find your Facebook profile user ID, then what you need to do is first log into your Facebook account. So open up your Facebook, go to the login or sign up page and make sure you log into your account. Once you've logged in, now make sure that you're under the home page or under your profile. And here you will have the URL, right? So you need to simply copy the URL and you need to open a new tab and search for lookupid.com. Once you've searched for lookupid.com, here you will have this lookupid.com. And first, click on that, and here you need to paste the URL that you have just copied. So paste that and then click on lookup, which is here on the right side. And now if you scroll down here, you will have this kind of interface where it says success. If Facebook name is unknown, then we have found your numeric ID. So that's how you can find your Facebook profile user ID. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.